What's up, everybody? After the unboxing, let's go hit it for a first run and test drive. So here, featuring an overview of the Element RC Night Runner, and check out that realisticality, man. You gotta love it. Element RC did a really great job on this piece. I mean, it's just amazing. And you gotta give it up to Night Customs as well, because Night Custom play a huge part on the custom work on this one, and along with the licensed products like Night Runner, General Tires, DeMello bumpers, and some other guys that's played a huge part in this vehicle, that makes it really realistic. And this IFS right here, from what I've seen so far, it's pretty good. I can't knock it. I mean, it's a great product. There are a few things that I don't like about it, and I will cover that on the next video. But on this one, it's just an overview. There's a little view of the transmitter. I might go over that as well. And look at those tires, look at those bumpers, grills. And here's an overview of the chassis. So it's a brush motor, which is sufficient enough already. Unless you really want to go gung-ho and go fast on this one. I think for what it is, it's pretty fast enough already. But look at it, there's so much room for detail work, like engine and things of that nature. I am really looking forward to getting the fender wells for this one. So that's second and foremost. My first and foremost is the light kit. I need double light buckets on this one, and soon after that will be the rest, if I could ever afford it, because it is kind of pricey. But I don't have a 3D printer, so I gotta go with that one. So I want to thank Night Customs for all the great products they have available for this kit. And from the looks of it, it looks good. I love how the chassis looks. First thing that I did was replace the battery tray. The tray for the long battery, because it came with a short one. And here I am trying to film and drive at the same time, so it's a little hard. I didn't have my GoPro with me, which has a little attachment I could use so I can do a hands-free filming, but this is what I got. So yeah, as you can see, this is basically the first run, and it looks great. I mean, coming from a newbie on rock crawling, and I mean, to me, it looks great, feels great, performs great. So far, so good. I mean, it's been living up to my expectations, and looking forward to all the things that I'm gonna do to this car, and hopefully soon. And on this one here, my son drove this, and just listen for yourself how stoked he is. Yep, that's all him controlling it. He's a fast learner, man. He's a really fast learner. I taught him how to reverse and showed him how to do it a few times, and he got it. Man, this brings so much joy to me. Yeah, see him stoked like that, just enjoying it, loving it. It's the best feeling in the world, to see your kids happy, and that's all I ask. So every penny spent on this is worth it, man. Just to see him happy like this, and I'm sure he's gonna be like his dad, little car nut, in the future. I know he's already a monster truck, crazy dude, but he's gonna be a car nut. Let's see. And here he's doing a night run. We were at the park on this one, and it got dark. It's been getting dark pretty early too in Hawaii lately, so the fog lights in this one really helps with the vision. Yeah, but I'm really gonna need the whole lighting kit for this to make it a better nighttime driving experience. But that's all I've got for you. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing, comment, and like on this video, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, and aloha.